You can learn so much from your person just by asking questions, but have you ever found yourself drawing a blank on what to ask? TableTopics from SNS Worldwide can help. They're a dementia-friendly activity that can be structured or spontaneous, and restful or active. These are some of my favorite questions from the happiness box. What would you love to grow? What's your favorite way to spend time outside? What smell reminds you of childhood? What were 3 of your favorite moments today? When are you the happiest? Are there certain foods or drinks that make you feel happier? Maybe we talk about gardening or going for a walk, and then we can actually go outside. The back has awesome suggestions. Maybe I want to grow a flower garden or an herb garden, and then we can actually spend some time gardening. TableTopics even took it one step further, past giving you questions to get your brains working. The backs of some of the cards have suggestions of activities to match the conversation starter, and the backs of others have great reminders for you as the caregiver to focus on your happiness too. SNS also carries the original, What Would You Do?, Family Gatherings, Do It Yourself, and the Best Things Ever.